Hi, my colleagues. These are the rotators for your purchase order. It includes 2 drivers and 4 idlers with a steel wheel, 200-ton rotator. These are the covers for the motor for protection from the rain and snow for the outdoor function. From the control box, you will also see this switch is for rain protection. For our machine, you can be assured all the machining will be crafted meticulously. The motors are from the Chinese best brand, WN. You can see the CE logo here. You can see these surfaces have been precisely machined. For conveniently maneuvering the rotators, we added the forklift hole for convenient hoist. This is the control box for the rotator. Let's take a look. This is Siemens inverter for control the stepless control of the speed. Schneider electricals, and this is a 408 volt transformer for American market. Now we are going to run the machine. Let me show you. This is a wireless remote control. It has forward and reverse function and the stepless speed control from 100 millimeter to 1000 millimeter per minute. You can see now the wheels are running. We can try to adjust the speed, slowing down, speed up, and then change the wheel direction. Okay, that's it. You can see it's very convenient to use. Thank you for watching.